Hello, beautiful people. Do you think I made a mistake buying a gaming laptop at the age of 35? Let's see. This is a brand new laptop from HP, which I ordered 2 days before, and I got it today. I'm so excited to unbox this, and I thought I'll be unboxing with my YouTube family. Let's unbox this one. Yes, Blue Dot has done a good packing. Okay, let's see what is inside. I'm really excited to see what is inside. And this is OMEN series, you can see. And to be honest, this is my first costliest laptop. I never bought a gaming desktop or a gaming laptop. And every guy would love to have a gaming things. I mean, even though if though it can be an Xbox 360 or anything related to gaming, men love playing games. And let's see. I'm unwrapping this one. There is a wrap in this one on top of it to protect the inner laptop. Think it is good packing. I love this. Think I need to remove these things. Let me remove this. Okay. Okay, there is a strip which I can see. That's a lovely thing, which I experienced in the Apple phone. I think they are giving this experience here as well. I love that actually. It makes me feel something premium or something like that. Okay, and I'm not sure which is the top and which is the bottom. Okay, I think this is okay. You see, this is 16 in game notebook and 16 ordinator portable, and this is really heavy. This is very heavy. I mean, this weighs around 2.2 to 2.5 kgs, and it is a 16-inch laptop. Let me see what they have given here. It's a black pouch. Let me see what is inside this. Oh, it's a manual, user manual. Okay, let's see the user manual later. I'm very keen to see the laptop. And this is good actually. I'm not sure like why they have given this one, just to hold this. Okay. Okay, come on baby. Here you are. Yes. Okay. Oh, it's really heavy. Ah, wow. The back look is very good, and it's in. I thought it's a gray. I booked. I don't mind getting a black one as well. So this is OMEN series. Oh my God! It got a big screen actually. 16-inch screen. Beautiful. This is on. I'm not sure. It don't have an uh, charging in it, so it is not on or not sure. Okay, here you can see I got a charger for this. It's a very beautiful design actually for a charger. Maybe it's a something different kind of charger, and it costed me 1,50,000, which I'm not saying to my wife. I said I got it from the office, and please keep the secret like that. This is really good. This is really good. Okay, anything else do we have? And we have one more power cord which is closed. So I think this cord goes here. Okay, it's perfectly. Let me wrap this. Let me see the charging port. This one. Maybe it would ask for a quick installation for the first time. Switching on for the first time. It would be really fun. I was waiting for this moment from the morning, and that guy came all the way. Took his own sweet time to deliver this one. I am not able to see the port. Okay, here it is. Here you can see the power cable and HDMI, and this is for USB, and I don't. Here it is, one more USB, and this is a fan. It has two fans, is what I think. Sorry for that. It has one more fan here, and this is C-type thing, and the aux cable connector, and one more USB here. So I have 1, 2, 3 USB, which is sufficient for me. I'm not much of a fan of using a USB, and I would really appreciate. And here it is, an internet port actually. So let me try to keep it for a charge, and let's see how this works. Okay, I see a light in the back. That means it is charging, I guess. I really love the black color of it, and nowhere it says it is an HP or something, and it says it's OMEN. I never seen any laptops like OMEN laptops or other gaming laptops. This is the first time I'm using it, or I'm seeing it as well. This is a power button. I'm trying to on this for the first time. Let's see how this goes. Come on. Okay, if you see, the installation setup is almost 97%. Almost 3% is left. Let's see. It took more than 30-40 minutes to download and install. It's getting updated. 27%. Keep your computer on. Now see the started. Message. Then I should be able to say something. Update somebody. That's the last update. There, please keep your computer on. Please start this is the time that's going to be started. As a basic that when your laptop will be prompt to restart multiple times. So this is the time that's going to be started. This is the time I'm started. This video is very good. I really love this way. She was me. And I just really good. I love the messages. I love the messages. It's also good. And see the other. Yeah, it's also good. I love the Microsoft experience with signing in. I'm very much I remember my this Microsoft one. Send code opportunity I should be. I've given my time password. Create a pin. Set a pin. Okay. Control or something is. Privacy location is on. Find my devices there. Diagnostic data. Thinking and typing. Send optional. Thinking and typing diagnostics. Personalized offers. Yes, I accept. I think there is a finger desktop, a folder. Welcome back, Santosh. Yeah. This is my one more desktop name, I think. That is the reason it is giving the name of the other desktop. The last backup was on 18th of 10. I don't know why it is restoring those things which I didn't want to. Getting things ready for you. The first time installation, it is taking too long. I mean, it took more than 1 hour now, I think. The speakers, this isn't protect. There's something to protect. I would definitely say yes. Development. I don't usually do development in here. Creativity. These are things which I would be doing in this computer. Use your iPhone, use your phone from your PC. I'll skip for now. Accept. Explore Microsoft Basic. Accept. 100 GB. This is 1 TB hard disk laptop, by the way. SSD hard disk. Setting up your product. All set. Yeah, we're all set. This looks very fresh. So it's up and running now. No, not continue the Google return start. We'll just see. I'll try to play some 4K videos to see the clarity. 4K video sound. I think this is some 4K. Monica, of course. Sound is good. And the clarity is good. Let me open. Can see 4K. Yeah, this is all. So let me go through my PC and see in the property. 24 GB and device ID. Intel Core i7 2.2 GHz. Manufacturer. I'm not sure like how to see for the graphic card. First, let's do the other things. Find Bluetooth device account. So game bar shortcut. I don't know what is this. OMEN gaming laptop. Things on Google. Okay, this is the complete unboxing and installation setup, whatever the basic installation and the starting of the computer. Laptop is by new OMEN i7 14 Gen 5060 graphic card of 8 GB and 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard disk. So people, let me know how was my choice. I would really appreciate if something you want to let me know. Please comment and hit a like if you like the OMEN unboxing. Thank you everyone. Good day.